Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to deal with percentage while working with VBA. Let's say we have a set of columns having different values with different data types. We have integers, we have decimal, we have percentage. Let's say our scenario is to multiply all the cell value with 500 except for cell having value as percentage. How to do this? We cannot use Instr function because of the Excel behavior. As you can see, when I put my cursor on any cell, either it's integer or decimal, we have the number format as general, right? Even for string we have the number format as general, but for percentage the number format gets changed to percentage. So because of this behavior we cannot use Instr function to find out whether a cell is having percentage or not. I have already a code which finds whether the cell having percentage or not using Instr function. Let's try this code, whether this code works or not. I'm just running this code, and as you can see the output is always string not found. Even though the cell have percentage value, the response is always string not found, because as I mentioned earlier, Instr function will not helpful when you are dealing with percentage. So the only way is to find out the cell number format. So we need to figure out what is the number format for each cell, so that you can get an idea what the cell having percentage have their number format. In order to find that, I'm just commenting this one and I'm just getting only the message box having the number format for each cell. So I'm running this code. As you can see, the number format is general. It keeps displaying general for all the cell value, and for percentage it's displaying as 0.00%, and again it's 0% for this one. So we have two number format, one as general and other one having percentage. So as you can see, there are two number format. So we need to include this format in our code to find out whether we have a percentage in our cell or not. So I have already written this code. So I'm just checking whether the cell number format is either 0.00 or 0. Then we need to retain the cell value. Else we need to multiply it with 500 as I mentioned earlier. So I have assigned 500 to a variable called p, right? So when I run this code, you can see, okay, sorry, I have still have this message box, right? So because of this it keeps displaying the message box for all the things. So as you can see, all the cell within the range gets multiplied by 500 except for cell having value as percentage, right? So this is just a 2 row and having 7 columns. Let's say we have a big data having a lot of rows and many columns. In this way we can simply use this code to figure out what are all the cells having percentage. Since we have a big thing, we'll just need to change our range. So the last range is H25, so I'm just changing the range to H25 and I'm running this code again. As you can see, in a single click it gets all the cell value multiplied by 500 wherever we have cell value other than percentage, and the percentage just remains as such without multiplication. So in this way you can deal with percentage while working with VBA. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Take care.